Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve quick scan feature is not working in the Windows Defender application on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type services. Click on open it guys. In services you just need to search for Microsoft Defender Antivirus service. Double click on it. Make sure you set to startup type to automatic, and if the service status is stopped you just need to click on start and start it guys. After saving changes select apply and ok for save changes. After doing it you just need to close it off here. Go to search menu and type registry editor. Click on open it guys. Click on S. Now in the registry you just need to expand the H key local machine and expand the software, and you just need to expand the policies and expand the Microsoft, and you just need to click on the Windows Defender. At this point you just need to check the file path location. In my video I will zoom in guys. After checking it, on right side if you see any dword value like this listed over here, name it as dword. You just need to right click on it and select deleted guys. Click on S, and the same thing for every dword values listed over here. And after doing it, close stuff here guys. You just need to go back. For changes take effect you just need to restart your PC guys. Go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, go to search menu and type cmd. Click run as administrator and select yes guys. Now you just need to check my video description for these two commands. You just need to copy it and paste it. Tap the bar, right click eject and paste it. Press enter. This is file checking utility scan guys. Being system scan, this process will take some time. Being verification base of system scan, this verification 1% need to get 100% guys, so kindly please wait. And after finishing this 100% you just need to copy the second command and paste it in here guys. The same way you just need to wait for that second command to get 100%. After finishing the commands you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC your problem will be solved guys. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.